What if I told you that 95% of your choices are made by a 7-year-old version of you? That child lives in your subconscious, quietly pressing buttons, long after the memories fade. Neuroscience calls it the theta state, a slow brainwave rhythm, active from birth to age 7. Picture a sponge, soaking up every sigh, every eye roll, every unspoken rule in the room. Dad snaps, money doesn't grow on trees, recorded. Mom whispers, I never get a break, saved. Fast forward 30 years, that same tape loops, disguised as your financial struggles, your relationship patterns. Ever wonder why diets fail? Right after motivation peaks, the program kicks in, restoring the old weight. Or why lottery winners go broke, millions vanish, because their internal thermostat was set to scarcity. Jesuit priests knew the power, give me a child until 7, and I will give you the man. They weren't mystics, they were early programmers, installing obedience, before the firewall of conscious thought arose. Here's the glitch, your conscious mind craves growth, but it only controls 5% of the day. The other 95 runs on cruise control, steering you back to the childhood map. You attend seminars, devour self-help books, yet Monday morning, autopilot hijacks the steering wheel. Knowledge sits in the conscious drawer, behavior lives in the basement. Repetition is the only elevator. Repetition rewires. Every time you recite, I am enough, you etch a fresh groove. Think of it like trail hiking. The more feet that walk, the clearer the path becomes. Sticky notes fail because the subconscious ignores suggestions. It demands experience, daily rehearsal. Fake it till you make it is neuroscience, not naivete. Each acted smile trains chemistry. Athletes visualize victory, not as fantasy, but as firmware burned into muscle memory. So speak the script, morning and night, until your bank account, your waistline, your relationships echo it. Remember, you are not the program, you are the programmer, and the code is still editable. Start tonight, pick one belief, write it, speak it, act it, repeat it, until the mirror agrees.